trying this recipe from Forks Over Knives. It's spaghetti marinara with lentil meatballs, and so far it's going pretty well. I have the lentils in the water. I slow cooked it instead of completely following the directions, and so far it's coming together pretty good. I'm making my meatballs, and we'll see how this works out. We'll see if Mr. Painter likes it. The component that's the most work actually is making the meatballs, and it's really not that much work. It's the lentils, mushrooms, onion, garlic, tomato paste, flour, soy sauce. Instead of using fresh garlic, I actually use the powdered garlic, powdered onion, powdered pepper, powdered salt, powdered oregano. I did use a immersion blender to get the texture right. I felt like the lentils really weren't quite combined enough. And I did add a splash of Worcestershire in addition to the soy sauce. Our lentil meatballs are ready to go in the oven. The texture is good and the flavor is good. It's going to be very interesting to see how these turn out. Now, Fork Over Knives recommends cooking at 250 for 45 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and use 275 for an hour. For our marinara sauce, we have our sauce going in a crock pot. We have a can of our homemade tomato along with a can of marinara from Aldi's. The Aldi's brand actually has no preservatives in it, and it's made like I would make it, so that's cool. We made this in November, and I love making this stuff, but it's a lot of work. We are halfway through our cooking time, so I think I'm going to flip these. Yeah, I think flipping them is a good idea. We want them to have the same texture all the way around. When you're cooking, flavor, texture, and appearance are all very important. We're ready to go ahead and cook our pasta. This recipe calls for a pound of pasta, but that's a little much, I think, for my husband and I, so I'm just going to cook half that much. All the pasta's in the water. We're going to cook this for 5 minutes. Make sure you get all the water out. Nobody likes watery pasta. My husband definitely does not like watery pasta. And we're just going to combine half of our sauce in with our spaghetti, which is what is recommended by the recipe. And now we're going to go ahead and put our lentil balls into our sauce. Appearance and taste are very important. All right, a little bit of coating of sauce on the lentil meatballs is really lending it to really looking like meatballs, which is awesome. But Mr. Painter will definitely be, he's going to be the taste tester here in just a minute.
Spaghetti and meatballs, one of my favorites.
Well, we'll see. They're not quite meatballs. You tell me what you...
They look just like Swedish meatballs.
Drum roll. Do they taste... Do they taste like meatballs?
They taste just like meatballs.
Oh my gosh. You realize you're eating lentils, right?
What? No way.
I wasn't trying to fool you, but I'm awesome. Wow. I'm really happy it worked.
Lentil meatballs?
Yeah.
Tastes like the real McCoy to me.